Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to make iPhone camera full screen permanently. So as you can see right now I'm on my iPhone camera app and here we can currently my camera is not in full screen mode. Now I will show you how to make your iPhone camera full screen mode permanently. Just follow me to do it. Go ahead and launch your iPhone settings app and here scroll down. You have to open your camera settings. Once you are in camera settings, here tap on preserve settings and under preserve settings here you'll find creative controls. So all you have to need, just enable creative controls and preserve the last used filter, aspect ratio or light settings rather than automatically reset. Once you successfully turn on these creative controls, now relaunch your photo app and now go to photos and tap on this arrow icon to visible more settings. Here tap on your current aspect ratio and now we have to select here 16:9 and you will see your iPhone camera is in now full screen mode. Once you've selected capture a dummy photo and close your camera app and relaunch your camera app and now on you will see your iPhone camera is in full screen mode permanently. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.